n over n squared minus 9 plus n plus 8 over n plus 3 equals n minus 8 over n minus 3. Let's look at our denominators. Can we factor our denominators? Not all of them, yes. But we can factor n squared minus 9. That's the first step we need to do whenever we find the LCD. So we have n over, what's your n squared minus 9 in factored form? It's a difference of squares. That would be n plus 3 n minus 3 plus your n plus 8 all over n plus 3 equals n minus 8 over all over n minus 3. Let's use our strategy now to find our LCD. What's our LCD? Okay, first, common. Anything? N plus 3, take it. N minus 3, take it. We are left with nothing. All right, so we have our LCD, n plus 3, n minus 3. That's our LCD there. And we use that, of course, to multiply our equation both sides. So let's multiply this. This is times n plus 3 times n minus 3. I wish I have more space on the left. Okay, I'll just write here. N plus 3 n minus 3. Again, we have two expressions on the left as usual. So we use distributive property, all right. So we have to multiply your LCD by the first expression, n plus 3 times n minus 3 times the first expression on the left. You have n over? Oh. What's happening in the world? All right, we have, all right, that's the first one. How about the next? Plus, all right, times your LCD again. N plus 3 times your n minus 3 times your second expression. What is it? What is it? It's n plus 8 over all over n plus 3. As usual, the same right side. We're seeing the same pattern there, right? You have n minus 8 over n minus 3 times the same LCD. Your n plus 3 times your n minus 3. And let's do the easiest part of this. Where we do some cancellation, right? Cancel your n plus 3, cancel your n minus 3. What else can we cancel? N plus 3. Cancel your n minus 3 there. Well, there's only n here. That is n. Note that that's plus. We have n minus 3 times n plus 8 equals n minus 8 times n plus 3. Let's FOIL. All right, we have n here. Just put the product inside the parentheses. N times n, you have n squared. Next. Okay, your outer, n times 8, 8n, minus 3n, negative 3 times 8, negative 24. Right side, it's safe not to put parentheses here because there's no other terms, right? No other expression. N times 8. Oh, all right. It says n squared, n times 3, 3n, your inner, negative 8 times n, negative 8n, negative 8 times 3, negative 24. Do we need to change the signs here? No, because this is plus, right? So no change needed there. We simply combine now. This is n plus n squared, 8n minus 3n, we have 5n minus 24 equals n squared minus 3n minus 8n, negative 5n minus 24. All right, so I don't have enough space there anymore. Let's have another slide. So what's the result here? The result. We have n plus 5n like term, so that's 6n, right? So you have here n squared. You have n squared plus 6n minus 24 equals, I hope you remember the right side. You know the right side? Okay. We have n squared minus 5n minus 24. Well, let's double check that. All right. Let's get everything to the right. I mean left. We have minus n squared. Make the right side 0. This is plus 5n. This is plus 24. Do the same on the left. We have negative n squared. This 5n plus 24. Of course, this will be 0, 0, 0, 0. 6n plus 5n, 11n, 0, plus 0. All right, we cannot. Let me just put a equals 0. Can we solve this? Yes, of course we can solve it. Divide by 11, divide by 11, n is 0. Now, is it a solution? Wow, are you sure? Oh, let's look at this. Let's look at this. What happens if n is 0? Let us check. All right. If n is 0, n 0, 0 squared is 0 minus 9. Oh, negative 9. All right. How about this? N plus 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 minus 3, negative 3. It's not 0. Therefore, 0 is a solution. All right. It's a solution. You can actually check if that's correct. All right. So let us check. Right. Let us check. Just for the last example, it's up to you. Want to check the first 7 examples. So if n is 0, we simply plug in and 0 to n. We have 0 over 0 squared minus 9 plus 0 plus 8 over 0 plus 3 equals 0 minus 8 over 0 minus 3. What do you think is this? 0 divided by, we know what's the value of your denominator, right? It's negative 9. 0 divided by negative 9, is it undefined or 0? 0. All right. If your numerator is 0, but your denominator is not, it's 0. 0 divided by negative 9 is 0. But negative 9 divided by 0 is undefined. All right. So 0 plus 8 over 0 plus 3, you have 8 over 3. How about this? Negative 8 over negative 3, but 0 plus 8 over 3 is 8 over 3. And negative 8 over negative 3 is also positive 8 over 3, and they are equal both sides. That means that n is a solution, and we have proven it there. Now I leave that checking to you. You wanna check your example one? You can check -3. Will you be able to get the same value on both sides? Okay. Here also you wanna check. Well, I just wanted to check the last one. You can always check your answer, okay? By plugging in or by substitution. It's like what we did here in example 8.